Hello, welcome to the New England region. Here you will find a lot of fun activities, and it's really fun here.
In our region, we have four colonies. We have the Massachusetts Bay Colony, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, and Connecticut.
Here in New England, the climate can often be really cold, but it's still fun to play in the snow, and it can be really useful for some things.
Growing crops was not very good here because of the soil. It was very rocky, but fishing was very good.
In our region, the New England, we have a lot of shipbuilding and fishing. There are also artisans and naval stores.
There were important people in the colonies like Roger Williams, he was a minister from Salem, and Thomas Hooker, a Puritan minister.
We, the New England colonists, are really interdependent with trade with the Mid-Atlantic for livestock and grains. We offer them fish and naval products.
The Plymouth colony had a Mayflower Compact. They could govern themselves, and each year the colonists had a town meeting.